Tomorrow is Saturday and I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about the woman who watched my reel on Monday and felt something stir inside her. The one who recognized herself on Tuesday. The one who sat with that quiet question on Wednesday. The one who saw herself in the vision I painted on Thursday. I've been thinking about you. And I want to ask you something simple. Are you coming tomorrow? Because here's what I know about you. You've been thinking about this all week. Something in you has been leaning toward yes. And something else, that old familiar voice, has been whispering reasons to wait. Wait until you are more ready. Wait until things calm down. Wait until the timing is better. But sweetheart, that voice has been asking you to wait for your whole life. And you've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Tomorrow is not about perfect timing. Tomorrow is about you deciding that you matter enough to show up for yourself. Just once, just this one time. Saying yes to yourself instead of yes to everyone else. My free masterclass is tomorrow and I've saved a seat for you. Not for everyone, for you. The woman who has been watching all week. The woman who has been feeling all of this but hasn't quite taken the step yet. That seat is yours. All you have to do is go to the link in my bio and register. Right now, tonight, before you put your phone down. Because tomorrow morning when you walk into that masterclass, something is going to shift. Not everything at once, but something. And that something is the beginning of everything. The link is in my bio. Register tonight. I'll be waiting for you tomorrow.